Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a new free TRX mining website where you can actually make money online without spending a dime. You can just mine free TRX and place a withdrawal. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a like on this video. So as you can see, the other videos I've posted on how to make money online, you can just go and watch them. I'm going to leave a link under this video. So once you click on the link, it's going to take you to the sign up page. So all you have to do is just sign up with your Gmail account. So just your Gmail account alone, you are done. So after signing up, you're going to see a bonus right here. You're going to get a bonus, I think about $50 or $60 or so. So once you get the bonus, you can see invest bonus. So this bonus, you cannot withdraw it, you can only use it to make an investment, and you're going to earn 0.01% per day, which is going to go over to your wallet, and you can place withdrawal from your wallet. So after signing up, you can just scroll down. You're going to see community. So you're going to get a $3 bonus for joining their community. So all the bonuses will be added to your invest bonus, which you're going to get 0.1% per day, which is going to be added to your wallet, and you can place withdrawal of $1 from your wallet. So if you come over to this section, you're going to see we have the affiliate program. So if you click on affiliate program, you can actually copy your referral link from here, and you're going to get $12 for each friend you invite. So you're going to get $12 for each friend you invite, and there are also other benefits. So let me show you guys. So the $12 is going to be added to your invest bonus, and you're going to get percentage per day, which is going to be added to your wallet. You can place a withdrawal. So let me show you guys the benefits. So if you click on partner ladder, you're going to see that if you invite 20 friends, you're going to get $1,000 bonus, which is going to be added to your investment bonus, so which you can actually earn more. So after 20 invites, this will automatically be added to your balance. So the level 2 referral commission is once you invite 50 friends, you're going to get $2, which is going to be added to your wallet, which you can withdraw instantly. So level 3 commission, you're going to get $5, which you can withdraw instantly. Level 4 commission, $250, which you can invest, which you can withdraw instantly, plus $120 payment every month. That is a free gift from them. So these are the ways to earn on this platform. So it's 100% free. You can actually invite your friends. If you can get up to 20 friends, you're going to get extra $1,000 added to your invest bonus. So you're going to be earning more on your daily income that is added to your wallet, which you can place withdrawal. So to place withdrawal, you're going to come over to this section. You can see where we have withdraw funds. So you can see there are many withdrawal options. We have payer, wallet, money. So you can see Tron. So this is the TRX. So I think this is the best withdrawal method, but just anyone is fine. Sure. If you click on Tron, then enter your wallet address and then the amount and you can withdraw. That's all. So it's as simple as that. So kindly subscribe to our channel, like this video, turn on notification bell icon so that you won't miss our next video. I'm going to see you guys in our next video. Goodbye.